Ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level in 2025? Imagine automating your entire content creation process, from writing scripts to voiceovers and video editing with just a few clicks. In today's video, we'll show you the must-have AI tools for YouTube automation that can save you time, enhance your content, and supercharge your growth. Stay tuned to discover how AI can revolutionize your YouTube game. ChatGPT. Streamlining script writing and content idea generation. Content creation for YouTube often requires significant mental energy, especially when it comes to writing scripts and generating fresh ideas. Whether you're crafting a tutorial, conducting an interview, or producing a product review, the process of developing a script can be tedious and time-consuming. This is where ChatGPT shines as an invaluable tool. As an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT has the capability to significantly streamline your content creation process by assisting in both script writing and content ideation. When you're faced with the challenge of writing a YouTube script, ChatGPT allows you to save time and effort by generating complete, coherent scripts with a simple prompt. Whether you provide a topic or a rough outline, ChatGPT can instantly produce a polished, well-structured script, saving you from hours of brainstorming and writing. This AI can adapt its tone to suit various types of content, whether you're producing a formal, informative video or a more casual conversational vlog. By giving you a solid foundation, ChatGPT allows you to focus on adding your personal touch or refining the details rather than starting from scratch. Another significant benefit of ChatGPT is its ability to overcome content block, a common challenge faced by creators. It can generate trending topics, suggest engaging content ideas, and provide fresh angles on popular subjects. By feeding it information about your audience's interests or your channel's niche, ChatGPT can offer tailored video ideas that resonate with your viewers. This helps creators consistently produce content that aligns with their audience's preferences and current trends. Beyond scriptwriting, ChatGPT is also an excellent resource for optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engines. By crafting SEO-friendly content, including keywords relevant to your video, ChatGPT can boost the discoverability of your videos on YouTube. As YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, making your videos easier to find is critical to growing your channel. ChatGPT's ability to seamlessly integrate keywords into video descriptions ensures that your content is optimized for search results, helping you stand out in a competitive landscape. With ChatGPT, the creation of YouTube content becomes far more efficient, allowing you to produce high-quality videos in a fraction of the time. The tool's versatility and ease of use make it an indispensable asset for creators looking to streamline their content production process. 11 Labs. High-quality voice generation for professional narration. Voiceovers are an essential component of many YouTube videos, particularly for creators who produce explainer videos, tutorials, animations, or storytelling-based content. However, the process of recording professional voiceovers can be time-consuming and expensive, especially if you don't have access to high-quality recording equipment or a professional voice actor. 11 Labs addresses this problem by offering an AI-driven voice generation tool that produces natural, human-like narrations. 11 Labs uses advanced machine learning algorithms to synthesize realistic voices that sound like professional narrators. Whether you're creating an informative tutorial, narrating a documentary-style video, or adding character voices to an animation, 11 Labs can generate high-quality audio that fits seamlessly into your content. This saves creators the trouble of spending hours in a recording studio or hiring a voiceover artist, which can be a costly and time-consuming process. One of the standout features of 11 Labs is its ability to customize the generated voices. Creators can choose from a variety of accents, tones, languages, and styles to match the mood or theme of their video. This flexibility is especially valuable for content creators who want to reach a global audience by creating multilingual content or who need to match specific voice characteristics to suit their brand or style. Whether you need a formal tone for a business video or a more casual voice for a lifestyle vlog, 11 Labs can adapt to your unique needs. Furthermore, 11 Labs ensures that the AI-generated voice sounds incredibly lifelike and smooth, with natural pauses and intonations. This realism makes the voiceovers feel less robotic and more engaging for your viewers. As a YouTube creator, you want your videos to sound as professional as possible, and 11 Labs makes that a reality without requiring advanced technical skills or specialized equipment. By automating the voiceover process, this AI tool allows you to produce consistent, high-quality narrations in a fraction of the time. For creators who are looking to improve the overall production value of their videos, 11 Labs offers a unique solution. Whether you're producing a high-paced action video or a calm, informative presentation, 11 Labs ensures that your content has a professional-grade voiceover to match, making your videos more polished and engaging for viewers. InVideo or Pictory, simplifying video editing and creation. Video editing can be one of the most complex and time-consuming tasks in the content creation process. For YouTube creators who lack extensive video editing experience or those who simply want to save time, InVideo and Pictory are two powerful AI-driven tools that simplify video creation and editing. InVideo provides a vast library of templates that cater to a wide range of video styles, from social media ads to instructional tutorials. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, creators can easily customize templates by adding their own media, text, and voiceovers. The platform's AI features suggest edits, transitions, and even background music that fits the tone of the video, further speeding up the editing process. InVideo's AI can automatically sync footage with music, making it ideal for creators who want to produce professional quality videos without spending hours on fine-tuning. One of the main advantages of InVideo is its ability to create compelling videos quickly. With automatic captioning, voiceover syncing, and ready-to-use templates, creators can cut down on editing time and focus on content creation instead. Whether you're working on a tutorial, a product review, or a fun vlog, InVideo's AI-driven features make it easier to create polished videos with minimal effort. This is especially beneficial for creators who need to produce videos on a consistent basis and want to maintain high-quality output. Similarly, Pictory excels in converting long-form content, such as blog posts or articles, into short-form videos. With the rise of YouTube Shorts, this feature is especially useful for creators looking to repurpose their existing content into engaging bite-sized videos. Pictory's AI automatically extracts key points from your long-form content and transforms them into visually appealing, digestible short videos. For creators who maintain blogs, podcasts, or other forms of written content, this AI-powered tool makes it easy to reach a wider audience by repurposing that content for YouTube. The platform also integrates seamlessly with 11 Labs for voiceovers, ensuring that the voice narration in your videos matches the tone and quality of the content. Both InVideo and Pictory make video production accessible to a wider range of creators by automating the most technical aspects of video editing. With their AI-powered features, creators can focus more on crafting engaging narratives and less on mastering complex editing techniques, making them an ideal choice for anyone looking to produce high-quality videos with minimal effort. VidIQ, automating YouTube SEO and analytics. Growing a YouTube channel requires more than just great content. It also involves effective search engine optimization, SEO, to ensure your videos reach a broad audience. With VidIQ, YouTubers can automate their SEO efforts, making it easier to optimize their content for maximum discoverability on the platform. VidIQ's AI-powered keyword research tool is one of its most valuable features, as it helps creators identify high-volume, low-competition keywords that will improve their video's search ranking. By simply entering a topic or keyword, VidIQ suggests relevant keywords, tags, and phrases to include in video titles, descriptions, and tags. This ensures that your videos are optimized for search engines, allowing you to reach viewers who are actively searching for content in your niche. VidIQ also offers a competitor analysis tool, which enables creators to compare their video performance with others in the same niche. This feature provides valuable insights into what's working for competitors and how you can differentiate your content to attract more viewers. Additionally, VidIQ's auto-tagging feature takes the guesswork out of adding relevant tags to your videos. Tags are essential for YouTube's algorithm to understand the content of your videos, and VidIQ's AI suggests the best tags to improve your video's ranking. VidIQ also offers video analytics that allow creators to track their videos' performance in real time. Metrics such as watch time, engagement rates, and click-through rates give valuable insight into how well your videos are performing, helping you adjust your strategy to improve your reach and engagement. By automating many of the SEO tasks that typically require manual effort, VidIQ makes it easier for YouTube creators to grow their channels. With the help of its AI-powered tools, creators can make data-driven decisions that optimize their content and attract more viewers. VidIQ's user-friendly interface and powerful analytics tools ensure that you're always in control of your YouTube growth strategy, enabling you to focus more on creating content and less on tracking metrics. And that's a wrap. With these game-changing AI tools, YouTube automation has never been easier or more powerful. Whether you're simplifying script writing with ChatGPT, creating professional voiceovers with 11 Labs, editing with InVideo or Pictory, or boosting your SEO with VidIQ, these tools are here to make your content creation faster and more efficient. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your channel. See you in the next video, and remember, let AI do the heavy lifting.